Second and third graders, how are you? It's social studies time. And as a review, we've been working on economics and we've learned a lot so far. I'm going to lean in because I'm not convinced my computer is recording very well. But we started out learning about the meaning of money and how important money is. And then we went to learning about economic communities and what that looks like. And then we learned about wants versus needs and what they are and what they look like. And now we're going to talk about scarcity. So let me show you the slides. Today's slide looks like this. And our learning goal is we will understand that money plays a very important role in our world. Would you agree with that? It does. And to be successful, I understand and can identify that people need to make choices because of scarce resources. You're going to learn about what scarcity means, what resources, we already know about that, but it'll reinforce what resources are. The video you're watching right now, you've clicked on, and that will be in number 1 slot. Number 2 step, watch this video on scarcity. You're going to click on that, and you're going to see this video pop up. And what I want you to do is click on these arrows to enlarge the screen and then click the arrow. And then you'll be able to watch the video and you're learning. It's a great video on scarcity for kids, okay? After you watch the video, please watch the whole thing. It's about 15 minutes and it's really valuable that you watch the whole video. Then you come back to step 3, click on the video, your Google Classroom. I'll click on Doyle since I'm Doyle. It's going to take you over here to, guess where? Google Classroom. Here's your assignment. And you're going to click on this link and it's going to give you opportunity cost Google form. First and foremost, everything is required. Put your name there, okay? And then you read this statement and then you answer these questions. Go through all the questions, I think there's 4, and submit. And that's your work for today, boys and girls. And I hope what you consider doing is your best work. When you're writing a sentence, what do you start with? A capital. What do you end with? An end mark. So please write a complete sentence. And as Ms. Thompson's reminded you, a sentence, a complete sentence, includes a noun and a verb. So be thoughtful about your sentences that you're composing during social studies. Have a great day.